Alright, so I'm working on my Samsung refrigerator. It's a model RF4287HA. And this here, oddly enough, I was on the phone with so-called technical experts. They said that you can access the drain line in the back, and of course the top half you can't access. But if you look in the back, you take this little panel off down here. There's this little tube which is exposing this drain line. And I want to show you. See here? Oh, and a little water come out. See this nasty goo? That there was actually blocking my drain line. All this time, I'm going in there and I'm cleaning out the ice, and now this time I'm letting the thing defrost for 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours, because I just had a guy come by here for $85 to tell me to do that. So when I come in here, I said, I don't buy it because I can put water on the inside, but it doesn't come out the outside. So I said, let me take off the back part of it, and sure enough, there's your problem. After all these, how many times, my God, how many times have I fixed this goddamn thing? This is where the problem is. You have to get in there, open up this, and take out all this goo. See this nasty, I don't even know what all this is, how it even gets in your freezer. It's a 4-year-old refrigerator. But that was causing my freezer from backing up into the drain. It wouldn't go into the pan down below. That's the problem. Now you know, folks. Just to double check, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have somebody pour water into the drain on the freezer side, and I'm going to videotape the back side so you can see the water coming out, which is my problem. I said to the guy on the phone, this supposed technical guy, how can I do this? This is how we're going to do it. Water in the front. I'm going to verify the water's coming out on the rear side of the drain line right now. So watch. Okay, so here comes the water from the front side, like I said. There you see, nice clean drain line. Whew, at last.